Hello and welcome viewers, I'm Pia and you're watching NewsX. Our very top focus this hour, crucial developments from the political arena in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is of course slated to go to polls very soon. The Election Commission has of course convened a meeting where the officials are in fact assessing the ground situation at this point to decide when exactly will the elections take place in the state. But of course, as 5 years are being completed since the last assembly elections, we do know polls are on the anvil, and meanwhile we are getting to know some very interesting tidbit of information with regards to the seat sharing arrangement of the Mahayuti alliance. This of course is coming ahead of the assembly elections. We are being told that the Bharatiya Janata Party is expected to contest 160 seats, while the Shiv Sena is likely to contest 80 seats, and the NCP led by Ajit Pawar is projected to contest between 55 to 60 seats. Now the sitting MLAs, whether they will remain with their respective constituencies or not, that of course is going to be decided in subsequent meetings as well. Those seats which are with the Maha Vikas Aghadi, now only those seats are of course under the lens. They are looking at wresting control. The Mahayuti is looking at wresting power in these seats as well, and they're looking at being elected here as well. So they will be chalking out their strategy in lieu of this, and the primary criterion for selection will be the candidate's potential to win those seats. And it's being told, and sources are telling us that this breakup, the seat sharing formula, it has been and this message has been given by Union Home Minister Amit Shah while on his 2-day tour to Maharashtra. With us on the broadcast live is my colleague Rushali Kadam. Rushali, interesting news coming in at the moment. It's nearly final as far as the Mahayuti's strategy, their alliance strategy is concerned. We are being told that BJP is likely to contest 160 seats, Shiv Sena likely to take 80, and NCP projected to contest anywhere between 55 to 60 seats.
Well, of course, out of 288 seats in Maharashtra, 145 is the magic figure to form the government in the state, and that is the reason why BJP is likely to contest on 160 seats this time. Earlier it was said that the BJP will not contest lower than 150 seats, but the message which is very much loud and clear, which is given by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who was on the 2 days tour particularly in Marathwada and Vidarbha region, and he has made it quite clear that BJP will contest on 160 seats. And Shiv Sena will be given 80 seats, whereas as far as Ajit Pawar's NCP is concerned, 55 to 60 seats will be given to him. But in the seat sharing, important is what is the sitting seats. See, currently BJP is having more than 100 seats, 105 seats, and plus the independents who are supporting BJP. So BJP's number is the bigger in the state assembly at this point of time, and that is the reason why this time BJP will contest more than will contest around 160 seats. As far as Shinde is concerned, his party is having 39 MLAs at this point of time. Also the supporting MLAs he is having, and that is the reason why around 40 seats are sure for Shinde, but the rest of the 40 seats are again something where the winning ability will be the important criteria. When it comes to Shiv Sena versus UBT, the UBT and Shiv Sena will be majorly fighting face-to-face seats as far as the Maharashtra is concerned. When it comes to Ajit Pawar, once again he has demanded that earlier he has demanded 90 seats, then the negotiation was there. In the entire tour of Amit Shah, Praful Patel was a representative present from Ajit Pawar's side, who was actually batting a lot, and post that what we are learning is 55 to 60 seats will be given to Ajit Pawar's party. In this entire game, the potential candidate is the main criteria, particularly on the seats which are currently with the MVA. While sharing those particular seats, apart from their sitting seats, those particular seat where whichever party is having a more stronghold or a more a potential candidate, that seat will be given to that respective party within the Mahayuti. So what we are also learning is that around 90 seats are such seats where the still negotiation is going on today itself as well. Tonight, the Mahayuti's important meeting has been called to discuss on these 90 seats, which are, still the Mahayuti is struggling as far as the sharing is concerned. So certainly these are the things, but this is very much sure that Amit Shah has given a loud message that BJP will not be contesting lesser than 160 seats as far as this particular election is concerned.
Indeed, Roshali, stay on with us as we're tracking further developments from Mumbai. We know for a fact that Mumbai has been inundated with rain over the past several days, but tragic news is also coming in.